guys, we are on our way to Crockett, California right now. I'm gonna go meet up with one of our baby bats, Sorin, who is my tattoo artist, and I'm gonna go get some more tattoo work done. Vance is gonna come with me, so let's see what happens. It's like almost 6 o'clock. We're gonna drive out there. It might be a long night, I don't know, but we're gonna make this happen, get some more artwork done, show off some of Sorin's amazing talents and skills, and hopefully if you guys are out in that area, you guys can go book something with him and get in. He's extremely booked up, and he's a hot commodity. So if you guys are in the Bay Area, San Francisco area, make sure you guys get in with him as soon as you can, so you can get a tattoo, man. All right, we'll get a baby bat tattoo. Go get a bat tattoo and tag me in it. You know what I mean? Let's do this. What are we doing today?
We're gonna fuck up your throat very gently.
So first of all, where are we?
We are at Sugar City Tattoo in Crockett, California.
Yeah. I just want you to get your promotion in here.
Oh, that's nice of you, man.
Oh, of course. This is going on YouTube.
Oh, no. I don't have a photogenic face.
Yeah, you do.
I'm behind the scenes guy.
It's cute.
I'll put that Corey mask on, tattoo you like that. Yeah.
So, is that what the kids say? I'm vibing? This is fit check.
Yeah, I'm too old for any of that.
Yeah. We're at Sugar City Tattoo in Crockett, California. So if you guys are in the, yeah, show them the back, make sure you guys head over to the website and support. This beautiful man right here is a fellow baby bat, so make sure you guys are supporting what he does as well. If nothing else, you guys can't come into the shop and get a tattoo, go pick up some merch. You have some stuff online they can pick up?
We're working on the web store. They get DM.
Okay, so you can DM, we'll get you some stuff sent over. So we'll work out some deal for baby bats. If you guys come pick up some of his merch, we'll figure out something for you guys in terms of free shipping or, 10% off or something. We'll work that out. I'll put it on Patreon, but support him, fellow baby bat. If you guys are in the Bay Area though, come get a tattoo, book with him. He does amazing work. It sucks, but it's great, but it feels shitty. So yeah, let's do this. We're gonna do some fun stuff today. It's gonna be painful.
Sweet.
Yeah. Let's go.
Dude, do you guys have any shows coming up?
No, bro.
Like local?
No, December was the only show that we have, and it's in Sonora.
That's a medium.
All right, let me try this.
Yo, look at that. That's definitely your size right there.
Dude, my color is what it is. Look at this.
Does that work?
Yeah, that works.
All right.
It's like a medium just for you.
Is this one of your stuff too?
Those are Christina's.
Oh, okay. Is this still Sugar City Tattoo?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at this amazing merch.
That's my fiance, Christina's design.
There you go.
I like it.
I'm gonna change.
I like it.
Let me know if that's not a good.
All right, guys. So today we are trying some products from our friends over at Numbing Cream Co. They sent this over to me and asked me to create some content, and I figured what better place to use this than getting tattooed on my throat and neck, because it's gonna suck. So thanks to them for sending this stuff out. We're gonna try it out, do a little review, and I'll give you guys my thoughts on it if you are into using this kind of stuff. I've never used it. I have no idea how it's gonna work or what it really does in terms of how well it numbs, but I'll let you guys know if it sucks that bad or if it doesn't suck that bad.
I mean, like, it's worth it. It works really well. It's just like really pricey. Like, imagine doing like a whole torso. You probably need like six tubes of that, like each time. It's like $300.
Honestly, I think the worst part about the last session that we did was the healing versus the actual tattoo. Oh yeah, dude. Like, I remember laying in bed, I think it was the next day.
Dude, I've never had that happen.
Thinking like, God, this is worse than actually getting my neck tattooed. Like the healing process.
Do you think it's just sensitive in that spot?
Yeah, for sure. Well, then part of it too, I feel like
I don't
having
go hard, like I'm not like a heavy tattoo.
No.
Because like the dude that did my shit, like he got his nipple tattooed, and that dude went like really hard.
That's good. Just so when he's putting it on.
Oh, okay.
And I got a storage unit behind him.
And dude went like super hard, and then like essentially, like his glands got infected. You know, like I want to finish your shit, but I'm like, if every time I tattoo you lose a week of work, like that sucks. And like, it's not like I'm doing it to you, but like, I still feel bad.
No, I'm gonna chalk it up to just
We went too much.
that, or maybe I just got sick, dude. I mean,
And we did the majority of it, you know what I mean? I'm just doing like little detail pass on it, and like we just need to add the other flower if you want to do that.
yeah, I really only felt like in terms of the actual tattoo itself, I feel like this section right here was like really clean and crisp, and it got soft down here. Good.
Yeah, this stuff works awesome. Like I've had clients leave and they're like, bro, my elbow's still numb.
How long does it take to kick in?
About an hour. Are we trying to do like all the way to the sides, or just like focusing on the middle today?
Let's just focus on that and then see where we're at with that. I mean, if we cruise through it and we barely spent any time, we can keep going. Or 5 people tattooing one person
That's
at
the
the
new
same
thing.
time.
It's like $100 grand. They get an anesthesiologist and like put you out.
dang.
And then like 6 people work for like 10, 12 hours and finish your whole back in one go.
No.
It's like that's the new thing.
I would be afraid of like
being said,
inconsistencies.
just remember, that's how Michael Jackson died.
Getting tattooed for 6 hours by 6 people?
No, getting conscious sedation so he could sleep at night.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but he died with propofol, which is then when propofol became a.
All right, you know
doctor.
things. Maybe you're wrong to answer this for me. Stack yourself. And then I just tried some like weirder shit. Like I didn't know if you'd want some like just wavy kind of stuff.
Interesting.
So we could do like waves. Those are like the clouds that you send. I did a bunch of the mid-journey shit, but like I didn't get any kind of results like you got.
Oh, really?
Dude, I got like
What were you, what was your prompt?
like purple oni with traditional Japanese element. Oh, dude, totally sport. I grabbed 2 of your the makeup things. I got them for Christina.
Oh. There it is, finally.
Me undone to done up, rather than just like low.
And when you mix one of the
Which hazel?
with one of the ingredients, it causes chemical burn.
Yep.
So that's not good. All right, so essentially so I'll have you do like the neck thing where you're gonna be like super back, but yeah, you don't need to get like funky for a while. How's that feeling?
It's fine.
Does it feel numb at all?
I don't know. Like, I feel like I won't know until you put a needle in there. Like, I can feel you touching it, but
Is that different?
I don't know.
I'm not trying to make it different.
Yeah, I don't
We're
know.
going with or without it.
Yeah.
Are you fucking serious?
Guess we'll find out. This will either be a 10-minute tattoo or
What light is gonna fuck you up? Like
nothing.
for your camera? Like, is this
Nothing.
good?
You just do you. You do what.
yeah, he can adjust.
I can adjust this to fit around your stuff.
It has like the different like.
Definitely not
light
yellow
modes
though.
and all that
Like
shit.
all this stuff off first, huh?
Mhm.
I gotta get back up anyway.
No, I'll do it down here.
Okay.
You're good.
Are you ready?
Shit, I'm ready. I'm ready to put this tattoo Numbing Cream Co product
The test.
to the test. Yeah, we'll see.
That's right. I'll have it on video. I'll go live.
Go live from where? You
I
can't
don't
go
know.
live.
Post that shit on my page.
You got nothing, nowhere to go live.
I'll get more followers than you.
I wish you would get more followers than me. That'd be
That ain't
nice.
gonna happen. That ain't gonna happen.
Good.
You want just your throat, right?
Sure.
Hey, that post gotta go a little further down. There you go.
How's that feel?
Like neck surgery. What, on my neck?
How's your back? Because I know you have back issues.
It'll be fine.
Yeah.
It'll be all right.
Cool. Come on, Missy.
Come on, Missy. We pretty much designed the whole chest and neck tattoo tonight. Got a pretty good idea of what we're gonna do.
So we're gonna start that in about 5 minutes.
So we're gonna start, well, we're not getting that far tonight, no way.
Skip the neck and just go to the chest.
Yeah, we've
We
got
didn't numb any of that.
probably, I don't know, 10, 12 hours worth of like tattooing that would need to be done. So we're probably only gonna get, I don't know, 2 or 3 done tonight, maybe. So we're probably just gonna do this section right here. And then some of the flower, or the flower right here. We'll probably call it good after that. And then in November I'll come back and.
Show me some titties. Come on.
You want to know? You want to know a fun fact?
What's that?
I've actually got 4 nipples. See right there, and right there.
Okay.
That's weird.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm still gonna leave the bottom light just in case whatever we decide, we might want to connect in there. You know what I mean?
No. What do you mean?
Like, I'm not gonna put like a lot of dark black on his chin
Oh, okay.
until we decide what we're gonna do with like the background.
Well, I've decided.
Okay. Do you want me to like outline that? This will be the telling one. How annoying is it if you keep your arms at your side?
Whatever you need me to do.
Like, is it cool if I plant my arm here?
Yep.
All right, let's see how well that stuff worked for you, man. Can you feel that?
Nope.
Numbing shit works amazing. Am I pushing too hard on your throat?
No.
No, fine.
This is how it's done, my friends. Let me tell you.
What are we doing?
So we are building a plate of armor because I'm leaving, and it's.
You're going to Japan and you need an armor and a
this is my space
sword.
suit.
We are body mapping Hyde, so I know how much space we have to put a design on. All right, starting bid on Hyde's fucking plastic is 20 bucks.
Damn, did you hear that? We're
Damn.
auctioning off this sheet of body armor plastic body mapping.
It's going
I feel
to-
like those old Batman suits from like the 90s, you know what I mean?
We're gonna do increments of $5. Who
You're
wants
gonna
Hyde skin cells?
You're gonna get 2 signatures on it.
Yep.
At some point, you're gonna be able to clone him. Who wants
I don't want to know what you're gonna do with that clone.
You know exactly what they're
I
gonna
don't
do
want
with
to
that
know
clone.
what they're gonna do with the clone. I know what they're gonna do, but I don't want to know. So this is mapping out what my tattoo is gonna be. So he has something to look at and play with.
I thought he was gonna
And when he's
jerk
alone.
off to it.
Who wants it?
Yeah, so this could belong to one of you guys. He just offered to auction this off to you guys, starting at 20 bucks. This could be yours. Ow! And it's gonna have some nipple hair in it too, I think. What's this? Oh,
Here, you sign
There's the
outside.
signature. Sign the left titty.
oh, whatever.
Left-handed upside down signature.
Yeah.
Looks pretty damn good.
Oh, I didn't finish.
All right, Patreon people, get on this.
Get on it. It's all yours for the low price.
Looks like a nutsack. That didn't work out.
What are we doing?
What are you doing?
What's that?
There, it's a little heart. It's a little heart for them. There you go.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah. They look like a little nutsack for a second. You want Hyde's nutsack?
Some of his hair might be in there.
Yeah, watch.
Definitely,
Ow!
definitely some skin cells.
Ow!
There's definitely hair in here.
Definitely gonna get DNA.
Yeah.
Yup. Who's your daddy?
Who's your bat daddy?
And what does he do?
And what does he do?
Sorry, dude.
Good. I feel like I'm like shedding my skin like a reptile.
A reptile.
I'm a reptile,
With all this hair, they're gonna make a voodoo doll.
right? I think somebody's already got one. Oh, I got erectile dysfunction. I got a reptile dysfunction.
Alright, ready?
Yeah. Ooh! Dude, you definitely got some nipple hairs in that.
There you go.
Bro, that could be
Yeah.
yours.
There's real hair.
That could be yours for the low
Skin
price
cells.
of $20 or whatever the bid is.
Oh, there's the nipple.
Yep.
There's his beautiful locks.
Nice.
That goes for anything less than $5 grand. I'm gonna be disappointed.
Me too.
Dude, my neck is wrecked. So we basically just redid the Oni, resaturated, filled in the lines, kind of did some stuff that we didn't get finished up last time. So the first session we did together was 6.5 hours straight. I was pretty done by the time we finished that up. So today we just came through, we finished up the rest of this, and we've pretty much mapped out what we're gonna do for the rest of my neck and chest. So next time we come, which will be about 2 weeks, we will do an outline, and then I think a week from there we'll do the rest, start the rest of it. I don't know, kind of working on that. As far as the tattoo numbing product, honestly, didn't really work for me. I feel like the spray helped after he had been tattooing for a while. The spray definitely helped, but the cream itself wore off very, very, very quickly. So I'd say at least 80% of this tattoo I was definitely feeling, and it did not feel good. And I kind of feel like once the cream wore off, I don't know, I almost feel like I felt it more in certain spots after it wore off. So I'm not too sure, but I don't know. I think we'll see if we can use it again next time, and see if we can get a better result with it. Yeah, see what happens. So thank you to Tattoo Numbing Cream Co. Is that the name of it? Tattoo Numbing Cream Co. Thank you so much for sending that out to me. Hopefully we have enough to do the next session, and see how that works out for us on there. I think we got about 3 sessions left to get this all done. And yeah, so you guys, again, please make sure to check out Sorin, a fellow baby bat. I'm blowing this all over. So give him some love, because he's giving me some love. So, Sugar City Tattoo here in Crockett, California. Ice, ice, baby, because this neck sucks already. We'll see you guys.